Okay, well, next up we've got the data points.
Well, all roads lead to 130, and the non-farm payrolls for October consensus is between 185 and 190,000 new jobs versus the prior read of 142,000 for the payrolls.
I do not see how it's going to get anywhere near that.
No, well, we've seen two big misses in the last data. You know, I think 60,000 odd and 40 odd thousand in the last two numbers. They just watch out for possible revisions actually to those prior numbers. And then in terms of the unemployment rate, the expectation is for a small move down, so to 5% from the prior 5.1. We'll see what we get in about 25 minutes
Below
time.
5% would be just totally interest rate rise city, wouldn't it?
Yes, if we saw 4.9 or 4.8, I think that would be a done deal. And even though maybe it's not the right thing from my point of view, I think that would force the Fed's hand.
Yep.
So if we look out to next week, as I said, it's a relatively thin calendar in the US. Wholesale trade numbers on Tuesday alongside import prices. On Thursday, of course, our old friend, the weekly jobless report comes back. Probably the most important data of the week is on Friday next week with PPI and also retail sales being released. So we've got a relatively light schedule in the afternoons next week.